Hello everyone. Today we are making homemade ghee from butter. It's like liquid gold for your recipes. And the best part is it is so easy to make. Ghee is like a supercharged butter, perfect for intense flavors in Indian dishes or making things crispy without burning. It's clear, pure, and has a high smoke point, making it awesome for high heat cooking. Just take the butter and put it on a solid base pan. Melt the butter on a stove for about 40 minutes on simmer until you see golden bits. Those are the milk solids. Strain them out and you have got the ghee. During simmering, the butter turns into incredible liquid gold with a buttery and nutty aroma that will make your kitchen smell amazing. The storage part, you can store the ghee in the pantry for 3 months or even for a year in the fridge. It won't spoil because all the dairy is gone. If you like, unsalted butter is the perfect choice, but salted works too. Clarified butter is just melting the butter and the dairy is still exist in it. Whereas ghee is a specific kind of clarified butter using a method that ensures every bit of dairy is gone. Here is the usage part. Use it like regular cooking oil. It's the secret ingredient for intense richness in curries, crispy potato roasty, or speedy hollandaise sauce. So there you have it. Homemade ghee in a nutshell. Give it a try and let your dishes be with the flavor. Happy cooking. Thank you. Namaste.